Today, Chase announced they are going to be adding some temporary bonuses to their Sapphire line of credit cards. Now, we all know that a lot of the major credit card brands have been adding some temporary features during this coronavirus period, especially when consumers are not traveling. They're trying to increase the reward system on their premium travel cards. So what they're going to do is they're going to start adding a grocery bonus for the Sapphire Reserve and the Sapphire Preferred. So if you have the Chase Sapphire Preferred, then starting November 1st, you are going to earn 2 ultimate reward points per dollar spent at grocery stores. And if you have the Chase Sapphire Reserve, you will earn 3x your points. This promotion is not currently active yet, but they have announced it. It's going to start November 1st, so the first of the month, and it's going to run through the 30th of April 2021, so essentially up until May. And this is going to be a really nice addition, especially considering the Chase Southwest co-branded credit cards. Their gas and grocery promotional offer just recently ended a couple of weeks ago. They were offering up to 5x Southwest points. So now the Sapphire line is going to be the new trendy grocery store credit card for Chase. Now these 2x points for the Sapphire Preferred or 3x for the Sapphire Reserve, these are capped out for $1,000 per month in grocery spending. But even though there is technically a cap, $1,000 a month should cover the majority of households, so it should not be a problem. In addition, the Chase Sapphire Reserve, their $300 annual statement credit that is typically reserved for all things travel related. Now that's also going to be eligible for groceries, and that deadline has extended. That's now going to be good all the way through June of 2021. Why they didn't match these two up, why the groceries, the 3x points ends in April 30th, and the statement travel credit is good all the way up until June, I don't know why they did it. It doesn't make any sense, but the two dates are different. Now, when it comes to the groceries, I think that Chase has needed to add a category for groceries for quite some time, because when we think about grocery credit cards, we typically think about American Express, their Blue Cash Preferred, Blue Cash Everyday, or the Amex Gold card. American Express sort of has the grocery market cornered, and so I think Chase has needed to add some grocery rewards to some of their credit cards for quite some time in order to stay competitive in that regards. If you found this video useful, be sure to subscribe, but leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys, and as always, I'll see you all again next time. Thanks.